Now, the physical and chemical events which take place during fertilization, or we can say that the process of fertilization, it comprises of 5 steps, and the 5 steps are: number 1, it is acrosome reaction; second is the cortical reaction; third is entry of sperm; fourth is karyogamy, that is amphimixis, that is fusion of male and female gamete nucleus; and activation of egg. These are the 5 steps. The first step is acrosome reaction. The secondary oocyte, when it is released, we are starting with the acrosome reaction. The secondary oocyte, when it is released in the fallopian tube, let us see. Secondary oocyte, when it is released in the fallopian tube, it is surrounded by 2 layers. The layers are zona pellucida. This is the zona pellucida. This one. Zona pellucida, and the second layer is corona radiata. This is zona pellucida. This is the membrane of egg, that is oolemma, and the follicular layer made up of follicular cells. This is corona radiata, zona pellucida, and the membrane of the egg. This is the membrane of the egg, which is oolemma. Egg, when it is released in the fallopian tube, it is surrounded by 2 layers, zona pellucida, and this layer is corona radiata. The capacitated sperms, they pass through the corona radiata and reach the zona pellucida. The first step is capacitated sperm, they pass through the corona radiata and they reach zona pellucida. And one of the glycoproteins of zona pellucida, जो 3 glycoprotein थे zona pellucida में, ZP1, ZP2 and ZP3, out of these 3, one of the glycoprotein of zona pellucida, that is ZP3, it acts as the sperm receptor and binds to a complementary molecule on the surface of sperm head. स्पर्म हेड पे भी एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मॉलिक्यूल है, तो ZP3 एंड दैट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मॉलिक्यूल दे बाइंड टुगेदर, एंड दिस बाइंडिंग इंड्यूसेस द release of hydrolytic enzymes from acrosome. जो sperm का ये जो डायग्राम है, this is the head, the neck, the middle piece and the tail. हेड रीजन में यहाँ क्या प्रेजेंट था? देर इज प्रेजेंट एक्रोसोम, जो कि गोल्गी अपरेटस था, एंड दिस कंसिस्ट ऑफ द हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स, एंड देर इज प्रेजेंट अ न्यूक्लियस इन द हेड. In the neck region, there are present 2 centrioles at right angle to each other, and in the middle piece, there are present mitochondria. And the tail region, it consists of axial filaments only. तो यहाँ पर जैसे ही ये ZP3 ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन से बाइंड करता है, दिस इंड्यूसेस द एक्रोसोम ऑफ स्पर्म टू रिलीज lysing enzymes, that is the hydrolytic enzymes. These lysing enzymes, they are released, and these lysing enzymes, they dissolve the zona pellucida. They have dissolved the second layer of the egg, that is zona pellucida. Now the acrosome reaction, it exposes some proteins of sperm membrane that bind to the receptor on the egg membrane. By the dissolution of this zona pellucida, in the next step, the plasma membrane of sperm, it fuses with the plasma membrane of egg. The membrane of the sperm, it fuses with the membrane of egg, and this binding, it leads to depolarization of egg membrane. जैसे ही ये बाइंडिंग होगी तो depolarization of egg membrane हो जाएगी, means it causes the fast block to polyspermy. उसी टाइम पे ये चेक हो जाएगा कि additional sperms they cannot join with the membrane of egg. Let us see what happens in the acrosome reaction. The first acrosome reaction. The secondary oocyte is released in which stage? That is, it is bounded by the zona pellucida and corona radiata. The capacitated sperm, it passes through the corona radiata and reaches to zona pellucida. And the sperm, it binds to the ZP3 glycoprotein of zona pellucida, and it induces, जैसे ये bind होगा, it induces the release of hydrolytic enzymes or the lysing enzymes from the acrosome, and these lysing enzymes, they dissolve zona pellucida, और this जैसे ही ये dissolve होएगी, now the membrane of sperm, it fuses with the membrane of ovum, और जैसे ही दोनों की membrane fuse होगी, it induces depolarization of egg membrane. That is, depolarization means it blocks polyspermy, means it checks the additional sperms to join the egg membrane.